Hey, welcome to episode 5. So today I'm going to be going over picking the right agency. So there's so many different types of agencies out there, marketing agencies, of course, web design agencies, and even within web design agencies, there's different specializations to consider. So it depends on what you're looking for as a business, and also where you're at in the business is really a big determining factor on what type of agency that you're looking for. So for example, there are agencies that really specialize in the design piece, the branding piece, really kind of figuring out, okay, the story behind your business. Then there are agencies that really specialize in the technicality of things. So the function of how your website works on the back end, to connecting to, let's say, your customer relationship management system like Salesforce, to building custom apps. So it really depends on what your business is really looking for. But also, these are some of the questions that you may want to ask your agency or the agencies that you're interviewing. All right, so who's on your team? Or I guess who will be part of my team working on this project? Do we have someone that's a designer? Do we have someone that understands user interface or user experience? Do we have developers, or do we have someone that understands search engine optimization? Do we have someone that understands digital marketing? So it's important to understand that, because these are really the basics to launching a really successful website for a business. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Bye.